Do you want to make more profit in your trades with precise signals? It's time to learn the strategies of professionals. This video is going to teach you a golden method for accurately entering and exiting trades that many have used to achieve great profits. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hello to all traders, welcome to this channel, a place for learning and growing in your trading journey. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find buy and sell signals like a professional using two incredibly useful indicators and even confirm them to ensure you're entering the right trade. So stay with me until the end of this video. First of all, open the TradingView website. After that, select your symbol and go to the time frame section. Now set your time frame to 5 minutes. Now let's go to the indicator section and type Trend Trigger Factor in the search box. Select it so that it gets added to your chart. Now you need to enter its settings and make some changes so that this indicator becomes suitable for our use. As you can see, this indicator has 3 areas, and our main focus will be on these red and green areas. In fact, we use this indicator to find entry signals for trades. You might be asking, well, it doesn't show us any signals. How we will know? I'm going to tell you the solution now. You see this line in the middle of this indicator that changes color when it enters these areas. We consider the points where this line changes color as possible entry points. Note that I said possible, not definite. To reach certainty, there is a very important point you need to know, which I will tell you later in the video. Now, at times when this line turns green, we consider that point as a possible buy signal, and you can see that we could have made a good profit here. At times when this line turns red, we consider that point as a possible sell signal, and you can see that we could have also made a good profit here. However, as I mentioned, since it's possible, it might not happen. Like here, where it doesn't give us a correct signal, and if we enter the trade, we would definitely incur a loss. Now, here's the point I mentioned earlier. We need to add another indicator to our chart. For this, just go back to the indicator section and type MACD. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now we need to go to its settings and make some changes. You're familiar with this indicator, but in this strategy we use it to identify the trend and confirming entry points for trades. This way, whenever the columns are green, we consider the trend to be bullish and only buy signals are valid for us here. When the columns are red, we consider the trend bearish and only sell signals are valid for us. Now that you have learned how to use these two indicators, I need to teach you how to enter a trade. But before that, don't forget, if you have followed along with me so far in this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with new videos. Well, let's start with a buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal on the chart, just as I taught you. After that, we should check the MACD indicator to ensure that we are in an uptrend. If both of these conditions are met, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we can set our stop loss a little below the last swing low. Now we can enter the buy trade. For the take profit, we just need to consider our risk to reward ratio to be 1 to 1.5. Now we wait for the trade to close with a profit. For a sell order, we first need to look for a sell signal. After that, we need to make sure that we are in a downtrend, so we go to the MACD indicator. When we see these conditions, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we set our stop loss a little above the last swing high. Now we can enter the sell trade. For the take profit, we just need to set our risk to reward ratio at 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. Well, now you know how to use these two indicators to find the right entry and exit points and have more successful trades. Remember that trading is a skill, and with practice, learning, and risk management, you can always improve. If you liked this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first to know about our new videos. Wishing you success and profitability. Until the next video, goodbye.